Selena, Class 10, Chapter 14, Equation of a line. Inclination of a line. The inclination of a line is the angle theta which part of the line makes with x-axis. If measured in anti-clockwise direction, the inclination theta is positive inclination. If measured in clockwise direction, the inclination theta is negative. Positive inclination, negative inclination. First part, inclination theta of the x-axis and every line parallel to x-axis is 0. Second point, inclination theta of y-axis and every line parallel to the y-axis is 90 degree. Concept of a slope or gradient. Slope AC equal to vertical rise upon horizontal distance, which is equal to AB upon BC equal to tan theta, where theta is the angle which the plane make with the horizontal. Slope or gradient of a straight line. The slope of a straight line is the tangent of its inclination. It is denoted by letter M. That is, if inclination is angle theta, then slope will be tan theta. First point, the slope of x-axis is M. Tan theta, tan 0 is 0, since theta is 0 degree. Slope of y-axis M tan 90 equal to infinity, not defined, since theta is 90 degree. Point 3, the slope of a point is positive if it makes an acute angle in anti-clockwise direction with x-axis. The slope of line is negative if it makes an obtuse angle in the anti-clockwise direction with the x-axis or an acute angle in clockwise direction with x-axis. Example, first 45 degree, inclination theta is 45 degree, slope tan 45 which is 1. Inclination anti-clockwise is 135 degree or clockwise minus 45 degree. Inclination theta is 135 degree or minus 45 degree. Therefore, slope equal to tan minus 45 equal to minus for tan 45 degree equal to minus 1. The slope of a straight line passing through two given fixed points. Let P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 be any two fixed points. The slope of the line passing through P and Q, which makes angle theta with the x-axis, M equal to tan theta equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Parallel lines. If two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. Conversely, if the slopes of two lines are equal, the lines are parallel to each other. Perpendicular lines. If two lines are mutually perpendicular, the slopes of the products of their slope is minus 1. Conversely, if the products of the slopes of two lines is minus 1, the lines are mutually perpendicular. Exercise 14b, sum number 1. Find the slope of the line whose inclination is part 1 0 degree. Slope equal to tan 0 degree 0. Second part 30 degree. Slope equal to tan 30 degree equal to 1 upon root 3. Third part 72 degree 30 minutes. Slope equal to tan 70 degree 30 minutes equal to 3.1716. Fourth part 46 degree. Slope equal to tan 46 degree equal to 1.0355. Second sum, find the inclination of the line whose slope is 0. Slope equal to tan theta equal to 0. Tan theta 0 implies theta equal to 0 degree. Part 2, root 3. Slope equal to tan theta equal to root 3. Tan theta equal to root 3, theta equal to 60 degree. Third part, 0.7646. Slope equal to tan theta equal to 0.7646. Theta equal to 37 degree 24 minutes. Fourth part, 1.0875. Slope equal to tan theta equal to 1.0875. Theta equal to 47 degree 24 minutes. Sum number 3. Find the slope of the line passing through the following pairs of point. First, -2 -3 and 1 2. Slope equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is equals to 2 minus into minus plus 3 upon 1 minus into minus plus 2. 2 upon 3 upon 1 plus 2 equal to 5 upon 3. Second part, -4 0 and origin. Origin is 0 0. Slope equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 equal to 0 minus 0 upon 0 minus into minus plus 4 equal to 0 upon 4 equal to 0. Third part, a minus b and b minus a. Slope equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 equal to minus a minus into minus plus b upon b minus a equal to 1. Fourth sum, find the slope of the line parallel to AB if part 1, a equal to -2 4 and b equal to 0 6. Slope of AB equal to 6 minus 4 upon 0 minus into minus plus 2 equal to 2 upon 2 equal to 1. Slope of the line parallel to AB equal to slope of AB equal to 1. Second part, a equal to 0 minus 3, b equal to -2 5. Slope of AB equal to 5 minus into minus plus 3 upon -2 minus 0 equal to 8 upon -2 equal to -4. Slope of the line parallel to AB equal to slope of AB equal to -4. Sum number 5. Find the slope of the line perpendicular to AB if part 1, a equal to 0 minus 5 and b equal to -2 4. Slope of AB equal to 4 minus into minus plus 5 upon -2 minus 0 equal to minus 9 upon 2. Slope of line perpendicular to AB equal to -1 upon slope of AB equal to -1 upon minus 9 by 2, which is equal to 2 upon 9. Part 2, a equal to 3 minus 2 and b equal to -1 2. Slope of AB equal to 2 minus into minus plus 2 upon -1 minus 3 equal to 4 upon -4 equal to -1. Slope of line perpendicular to AB equal to -1 upon slope of AB equal to -1 upon -1 equal to 1. Sum number 6. Slope of the line passing through 0 2 and -3 -1 equal to the line passing through 0 2 and -3 -1 is parallel to the line passing through -1 5 and 4a. Find a. Slope passing through the line 0 2 and -3 -1 equal to -1 -2 upon -3 -0 equal to -3 upon -3 equal to 1. Slope of the line passing through -1 5 and 4a equal to a minus 5 upon 4 minus into minus plus 1 equal to a minus 5 upon 5. Since the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. 1 equal to a minus 5 upon 5. A minus 5 equal to 5. A equal to 10. Sum number 7. The line passing through minus 4 minus 2 and 2 minus 3 is perpendicular to the line passing through A5 and 2 minus 1. Find A. First, the slope of the line passing through point minus 4 minus 2 and 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 3 minus into minus plus 2 upon 2 plus 4 equal to minus 1 upon 6. Slope of the line passing through points A, 5 and 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 minus 5 upon 2 minus A equal to minus 6 upon 2 minus A. Since lines are perpendicular, slope of first line minus 1 upon 6 equal to minus 1 upon slope of second line, which is minus 6 upon 2 upon minus A. Minus into minus minus get cancel equal to 2 minus A upon 6. Cross multiply 2 minus A equal to minus 1. 6 get cancel. A equal to 3.